Hello lovely people, welcome back to the Ugona's family channel and page. In this video I'm going to show you how I transform my old cushion into a brand new cushion. This is a challenge, cushion furniture transformation challenge I'm embarking to. So watch as I magically turn my old cushion into a stunning brand new chair right in my own sitting room. Witness the power of creativity and DIY skills in action. Yes, yeah, today right here in my very own sitting room, I will show you how I turn this old cushion, one arc cushion, into a breathtaking brand new chair. Now let the magic begin. I carefully order this material from Lazada. Lazada is an online shop where you can make order of anything you want and they'll bring it right there in your doorstep. So this is easy to do. So that is why it is called DIY chair transformation. So I'll just cover it, though it will be more easy if someone is assisting you to do it, but this small madam by my side will not be the one to assist me. Mom, she will help me to reshape it. Okay, so I cover the chair. All I will do now is to tie it under. I will tie it under the rope beside that will cross it. You just tie it under. Yes, I ordered this not because the chair is old, no, but because whenever I want to remove it to wash, it's kind of hard for me, always removing, washing the pillow, fixing it back, washing and fixing back. So this one I'll just remove it. The kind of someone that is wearing clothes, you just remove it and wash. That is easier for me. So that is why I ordered this from Lazada, and and it's easy for me to fix and replace, remove and replace. So what I'll just do is to cover it and make sure the shape is how it's supposed to be. So before I made order of this particular material you see in my hand, I make sure that it will run with the color of my curtain. I make sure it will run with the size and shape of my chair. I make sure that is the length and the centimeter, everything is intact. So I did all this before I made order. Remember, online shop, you are not to touch, you will not see what you are buying. Whatever thing you see on picture is what you expected to get. Some will end up giving you what you didn't ask for. So good 18, I got exactly what I ordered for. This kind of elastic, this is kind of okay for this what I wanted to use it for. So I'm just trying to fix it to make sure that the chair is in good shape. Yeah, I got it. I'm seeing the beauty of my chair. You can see me throwing my leg in happiness. So the next thing I will do is to remove the pillows from the chairs because I need to fix the big one. This is where the work lies. Almost now here work day. So what I will do now is to just remove the pillows from the chair. I will remove the pillows from the chair, then try to fix it. So I will just be using this material. It's time to unleash my creativity and bring this chair to life. With a vision in my mind, I select the perfect fabric, one that will complement the style of my sitting room. So it's your turn now to share in the magic. Don't keep this incredible transformation to yourself. Share it with your friends and family and inspire them to unleash their own creativity. So let's spread the joy of DIY and the tree of transformation. So I'll go ahead and try my best to as possible to cover this chair to the size. So this chair, I've seen something in the hand of my small madam. I've seen something this small of my madam and she will not allow me. Oh, I don't know why she's so excited, as if she understands what I'm doing. See how she's so excited and she wants to distract me by all means. Anyway, I'll just keep trying my best. I have to cover the the longer cushion because this is where the work lies. This chair, it took me some hours. This thing you are saying, it took me like a lot of hours reshaping, resizing, redoing, put and remove. but all the same, let me drag it or more. I have to drag it to the other side. And supposing I have someone that is assisting me, one person will hold the other side, one person will other, you see the perfect shape. But since you are doing it alone, you don't have any option than to give your best, do your best. So this is what I'm doing. I'll just go ahead and push the chair and try to make sure this the perfect size. Try to make sure the thing gave me the shape I want. So not just covering it and leaving it, you will not get what you want. I will just go and you see me walking around. The next thing, I have to turn my chair over. Please close your eyes. Na moto, so just close your eyes under my chair. Then I'll go ahead and drag the rope. I'll go ahead and drag the rope and tighten it to the other side, and make sure that it's a perfect tying, because this is where you see the shape of what you are doing. Without this shape, you can't get what you want to see. So what you do is just go ahead and drag it, and go ahead and drag it so that you see the shape of what you are doing. Is this rope that will help your cushion balance, so that when somebody is sitting on it, it will not be, scattering. So my dear, I have to sit down on the ground. Let me sit on the floor to make sure that this shape, it gave me what I want, not just tying, walking up and down. I decide to, okay, let me relax on the ground. No, it's not easy. Let me tie it, because if you don't tighten this thing, somebody see that, you see the thing will just scatter. Omo, this one don't land. She don't come climb my back. She want me to carry her again upon me sitting on the floor. She saw me sitting on the floor tying, but she still want me to back her. Babies. Anyway, I just praise all mothers. Please, if you are watching this video, do well to follow us on all our platform and Facebook. It will help us go a long way. So I have to tie this, because this you are seeing here is where the work, but finally we did it. So I don't know what really happened. I think he didn't give me the shape I want. I have to tie again. I have to start afresh and start retying it, because when I turned it back, it didn't give me what I wanted, but now I've gotten what I wanted. So I have to arrange it again, because there is a foam inside this foam madam is holding. I will need to use it to get the shape of the chair. So but all this, let me adjust the back, let me adjust every part of this chair to make sure that everywhere is well covered, because this chair cover will help in a lot of things, both in terms of dust, times of tearing from kids, a lot of things why you need to cover your chair, both cockroach and the rest. But that is notwithstanding, so I have finally succeeded in covering every part. So now what I will do is to go ahead and use the pipe and hold it. Omo, can you see our chair? Can you see what we did? Can you see? I just thank you for joining me on this remarkable journey of furniture transformation. Remember, with a little imagination and a dash of DIY magic, anything is possible. So I want you to always stay inspired, stay creativity, and keep transforming the world around you. This is what we call. You can see our chair. You can see it. Tell me from the previous one you saw and this, which is better? Did you enjoy what you just watched? Will you like to try in this transformative challenge? And how will you like to share with your friends and family? Yes, transforming it to yourself, transforming your city room. When maybe your partner or your friends or family comes in, they say, wow, I'm seeing a lot of things, I'm seeing a lot of difference here, that this is a beautiful work. I can feel myself, even madam is already feeling the city room. So this is one of the challenges I gave myself today, being Saturday, to transform my sitting room. So today, right here in my own sitting room, I'm so excited. I'm happy that yes, we achieved something. What we were, What we want to see is what we got. What we ordered is what we got. Look at that. I wrapped every part of this chair. Yes, you can see it. I'm already feeling it. I'm happy. Please share, like, comment for more videos. We love what we are saying. We did a good job. We will not praise ourselves. Almost baby. She get I beg wanna share our video, John. Wanna like am, wanna dey comment, because e no easy to do transfer. Make I carry the camera, make I show una well well. Make una come closer, make una see wetin my hand do. Oh, hey. I no be fashion designer, I no be designer, I no be home decor. But at least with my little effort, I give myself 100 over 100. And my baby is even happy. She too, she don't see the result. I beg one they share our video, one they like, one they comment. Wow, the material is so soft, as in so soft. So it's easy now. When you want to wash, you just do what? You lose it and you just wash it with your hands or your washing machine, and it's easy to wash. It's easy, it's so easy. Here it is. I did a good work. If you no praise me personally, I go praise myself. I bet like this video, may you comment, may you share, may you like, may you do. I love you all. I beg. So tell me what you think about this chair transformation challenge. Call me in my comment section. Let's know what you think. Let's know if you will try it. Let's know if you like the my choice of material, if you like the design of the material, if you like what I say. If you try with my cutting, you see it, you score me in my comment section. I want you to score me, give me over 100. Give us over 100. The way to we do with our hand now with the showcase. This one is showcasing of the DIY talent that they bring come on a doorstep. I beg, share, like, comment. You can see what we did. I just like the material. I like the color combination. In fact, it will go with all cutting.